Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut kimono jacket with no side sewing. As you can see this particular jacket you're seeing does not have a side sewing. You can see. So let's go to the cutting section. Welcome to the cutting section. I'm using this fabric to cut out the kimono jacket with no side sewing. I'm using 1 yard of this fabric to cut it out. So now the first thing you're going to do now is to fold it into 2. Then you notch the center. As you can see, that's the center. Then after that, you fold it into 2. You can see the way I fold the first one, reaching the center. That's the center. The fourth side. That's the first side. So I'm going to do that to the second side as well. You can see this is the center, as you can see it. So that's the second part, reaching the center as well. So then you iron it to make it smooth. And iron the first part and the second part. So this folding is into 2. You can see the way I fold it. I fold it from both sides and I stopped at the center. So the next thing to do is to fold it into 4 now. So that's 4. You can see it. So this is now into 4. I will still iron it to make it smooth. The ironing is just to let the folding smooth. Since this is not a normal folding, since there will not be a side sewing, so that particular side fall at the side. Those are the side, and that is where I'm going to cut it. Those will stay at the side. Those are the 2 sides. So I'm starting with the length. The length I'm considering here is, the full length I'm using here is 34 inches. That is 34 inches. With a seam allowance of 1 inch, making 35 inches. The shoulder is 7 inches. That's 7 inches shoulder. So the armhole, I'm not starting from there, I'm starting from that side. So the armhole, I'm using 10 inches for the armhole. Since it's not a normal cutting, 10 inches for the armhole, since this is cut together with sleeve. So I'm making use of 1.5 inches there, and at the top here too, I'm making use of 1.5 inches. After then, I'm going to join my sketch. Then I'll cut it out. That is where the hand is going to pass through. So the next thing to do now is to measure the wideness of the neck. I'm using 4 inches for the wideness of the neck, and the deepness of the neck I'm using 2.5 inches. Then I'm rounding it. I cannot cut it out. So after then, I will open it. That is the center of the jacket. You can see it, and that is the armhole. So now I'm going to take the measurement. Since it's an high-low, no side sewing jacket, so the first thing to do now, I didn't trim the length before. I'm going to trim it out. Like I said earlier, I said the length is 34 with the seam allowance of 1 inch, make it 35. So I'm cutting out the excess. So that is what I'm doing now to have the exact measurement. So the next thing to do now is to blow the front, which is not the same thing as the back. I'm going to blow the front. The length for the front, I'm using 28 inches. So the other side too, I'm going to measure 28 inches. 28 inches. So I'm starting from that side to 28 inches to the center, then to that edge also. So then I'm going to cut it. You can see it, because the jacket is an high-low jacket. I'm making use of 1 yard of this fabric. You can make use of any yard of fabric of your choice. It depends on the yard of the fabric you are using, and that will also depend on the length of the sleeve and the wideness. So after cutting out the damper, the next thing to do is to join the shoulder. Then you tape the armhole. As you can see, you do the same thing to this other shoulder to turn the armhole. Then you bias the neck too. Then you tape the front separately, because there will be an opening at the front. So That's how you're going to do it. Tape it separately, as you can see. So this is the finished work so far. This is high-low jacket with no side sewing. You can see it. You can see the opening at the front, and you can see the armhole. So I tape it, I bias the neck, the armhole, then I tape the front separately. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.